Combinator. This is the product demo for AdOptics. AdOptics is a conversion improvement service. We improve our users' conversions primarily through A/B testing at the top of the funnel in their Google Ads account. So let's take a look. We log in with our username and password, and we're presented with our account manager. This is where all of our accounts are stored. Currently, we have 3 accounts running. These are all Google Ads accounts. In the future, we'll be able to add Facebook ad accounts, Twitter ad accounts, LinkedIn ad accounts, and manage them all from this simple interface. So let's open up the payloads account. Within the account, we are presented with a list of tasks to complete. These tasks are automatically generated by the system. So these are A/B tests that have been created by our system. We currently have 8 tasks that are pending. We have over 100 tasks that are currently running. So these are A/B tests that are running in their ad accounts, all generated by our service. So in our pending tasks, let's take a look at what we have. So one of the automated generated tasks is a start ad test. So if we click to details, we'll see that the system has detected that in their Google ad account, they have 2 ads running in a single ad group. And we're presented with these 2 ads, and we could start an ad test and start comparing the performance with these 2 ads. And eventually the system will determine a winning ad and tell you which one is performing better and automatically pause the losing one. So by clicking start ad test, we'll start tracking the data. We get our confirmation screen, and now that task is removed from our pending list. The other type of task that's important is the end task. And the end task is where the system has been tracking the performance of 2 different ads and has determined a winning ad over a losing ad. And here we see a dashboard of 2 ads, winning ad A and losing ad B, that have been monitored by the system. And we see that the winning ad can improve our conversion rate by 125%. Our click-through rate is improved by 18% just comparing these 2 ads. So by pausing or ending this task or ending this experiment, we're going to be able to realize those performance gains by turning off the losing ad. And that's done simply by clicking pause losing ad, and it's pushed over to Google. The final task type is called a create ad test. And this is really the only manual aspect to the system, but it's also the most powerful part of the system. So if we go into the create ad test, we see that we only have 1 ad running in an ad group, in this particular ad group. So what we're going to do is we're going to add another ad for testing comparison. And our system pre-populates the create ad form with the existing ad, so you could edit it and make small changes as you need it. But what's powerful about our service is that we provide a drop-down list of other ads within your account, and you'll be able to select another ad as its starting template for your new ad that you create. And here you'll see more than 1 ad. In this one ad group, we only have 1, but you'll be able to see the click-through performance, the conversion performance. Select that ad as a starting point and have it pre-filled in this form. What we hope to do in the future is not only have it populate the entire ad form, but we'll be able to select individual ad element points. So for headline, we'll be able to click and we'll be able to select a specific headline based on the click-through performance of that headline. And we'll be able to do the same thing for all of the ad form elements. And that's really where I think our system becomes very powerful. So we see that this ad group, the keyword is best way to sell photos online. So let's change it. Best way to sell. All right, and we already have it pre-populated there. Let's fix the capitalization. And now we are going to push this ad over to Google Ads, and then test will automatically start comparing the original ad to this new ad we created. And eventually, once we get statistical significance between which ad is performing better, we'll have generated an end ad test for us, and we'll be able to see the performance gains. And in this situation, we actually have a 200% conversion improvement with 155% click-through performance improvement with a 93% confidence. That's really a powerful difference in the performance between these 2 ads. So by pausing the losing ad, we're really going to be realizing a lot of performance gain. And really, this shows the power of A/B testing at the highest level. I hope that gives you some insight into how our service works. I think we have a lot of great features lined up and would love to be part of the Y Combinator program. Thank you for your time.